Alright, now we're going to move on to more word problems involving variation. If you ever see that y varies directly as x, you should think of varies directly as equals k. Y varies directly as x. It is y equals kx. That's what y varies directly as x means. If it had y squared and x cubed, not a problem. Y squared equals kx cubed. Varies directly means equal k. Y squared equals k x cubed. So if I tell you y varies directly as x and x is equal to 6 when y is equal to 2. So the question is to find k. Y varies directly as means equal k. X. Y equal kx. Well, we know when x is 6, y is 2. Let's make it 12. 12 is equal to some number, which I'm calling k, times 6. K is 2. 2 times 6 is 12. K is 2. So we update this formula with 2 for k. Y is equal to kx. There it is. Problem's done. Let's try another one that talks about varies directly. Y varies directly as x squared when x equals 3, y equals 8. Well, let's make it 27. Okay. Get the exact equation. So the top line says y varies directly as, that means equal k x squared. Okay, and they tell me y is 27 if x is 3. 27 is k times 3 squared. 3 squared is 9. 3 times 9 is 27. That must be 3. K is 3. Update it. Y is equal to k x squared. They may also say y varies directly as x squared when x equals 3, y equals 27. Find y when x is 10. Well, now it's easy. Y is equal to 3 times 10 squared. 10 squared is 100. 3 times 100 is 300. So when x is 10, I found y. It's 300. Okay. Let's do a different type. It won't say varies directly as. Suppose it says y varies inversely inversely as. This means k over equals k over. Okay, so y equals k over x. Y equals k over x. Okay. So if it says y varies inversely as x, goes when x equals 3, y equals 10, find y when x equals 20. So here's the problem. Y varies inversely as, that means equal k over x. Next line, when x is 3, y is 10. So 10 is equal to k, y is equal to k over x. But x is 3. Y equals k over 3. Well, to find k, piece of cake. But you have to know this rule. 3 times 10 equals k. 3 times 10 is 30. So y is 30. Update this. Y equals k over x. Now we can answer the question. Find y when x is 20. Y is equal to 30 over x. X is 20. But that's nothing more than 3 over 2. Problem's done. Y varies directly with x over the square root of z. When x equals 3, z is equal to 4, y is equal to 1/4. Find y when x is 7, z is 9. Z equals 9. Okay, first line. Y, I'm reading this line here, y varies directly with or as. You may say with or as. Y varies directly as or with means equal k. X over the square root of z. There's your formula, but you need to find k. Because in order to answer this, you need to know what k is. Because y is a function of k, x, and z. In other words, to find out what the right-hand side is, you need to know k, x, and z. But I'm only giving you x and z in that third line. So somehow we have to find k. And the second line will help us. In the second line, it says y is 1/4, k we don't know, x is 3, and z is 4. So this tells us that 1/4 is equal to 3k over 2. So we want to solve for k. If I multiply this by 2 over 3, I rig the 2's to cancel, I rig the 3's to cancel, I just get k. But you have to do the same to the other side. And the 2 goes into 2 one time, 2 goes into 4 2 times. 1 times 1 is 1, 3 times 2 is 6. So now we have k. So copying down this here, that's plugging in what k is, y is equal to k times x over the square root of z. And they told us what x and z are. So y is equal to 1/6 times x. X was given to be 7, and z was given to be 9. So you get 7 over 6 square root of 9. The square root of 9 is 3. 6 times 3 is 18. So there's the answer. In addition to knowing how to solve linear equations, you have to know your vocabulary. Varies directly as or vary directly with means equal k. This equals k times that. I couldn't care less what this and that are. This equals k times that. Doesn't matter what goes in front of varies and after as or after with. Doesn't matter what this is or that is. Whatever I put in this circle, it equals k times whatever I put in that circle. All right, try some more of these.